Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall this marker light on this 2007 Mini Cooper S. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Alright, we're going to remove this side marker, pull away the inside wheel housing, just enough so we can access it. You can disconnect the electrical connector right here. Right, there's an electrical connector right here. You can push down on the lock to release it. Pull it out. And then there's two retainers that are holding these in. You should be able to take a 10mm socket. Remove these metal retainers. Once it starts getting loose, you're going to want to hold the light assembly so it doesn't fall out. Pull that one off as well. And we can push it straight through. You can pull it out. Pull the bulb out. You can grab the socket, twist it to the left, pull it out. To replace the bulb, you can just pop it out. Reinstall the bulb. This is a 194 bulb. Just line it up, push it in, and take the socket, line it up, lock it down. To reinstall this housing, just line this up. We'll take these retainers, get this started on top. Get this one in down below. I'll just tighten them down. Just snug so it stays in there good. Take the electrical connector, line it up, and lock it in place. If you were just replacing the bulb, you can actually pull this socket out in the car. Just twist it to the left, and pull the socket out, replace the bulb, and reinsert it. Turn it to the right. Then we can close this up. Just push back on that liner.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.